can add your logo into the system on Get Booked Up so that it appears on the standard paperwork that's generated. So that's stuff that comes out of the designing reports, maintenance, and the built-in text control program. What we recommend is that you save it in as a JPEG and you call it my space logo, and then a lot of the standard reports that are built in will automatically call for that image and insert it in the form. All you will need to do is just make sure that it's scaled correctly, so you may need to still edit those to scale that around. But in the Business Builder and the turbocharged editions, you've got complete control over all the images that you insert, so you don't have to call it my logo. It's just if you want to use just the standard ones and it automatically entered. You'll see a separate video about the basics of the text control program, the editor that's in the system, and how to add logos. So I'm not going to go through that, but what I will show you here is where, if you're going to just use the standard layout forms, where you need to save those picture and what format you need to save it in there. So what you'll need to do is, under the File menu here, you'll find Windows Explorer for data files. If you look in here, this is taking you to all the files that have been used to set up your system and set up Get Booked on your computer. So this is into the data files in the back. If we look in here, there's a box that's a folder that's called Picture. If we look in there, double click into there, this is where you need to save all the pictures that you want to use from within the text control program, or add to any designer reports maintenance that you're creating for use, and you'll see the other videos that explain how those work. But this is where you save them. It's in the pictures folder that you access through the file menu there, Windows Explorer for Get Booked Up data files. And as I say, if you want to use your logo automatically in some of the standard paperwork, it needs to be saved as mylogo.jpg, as you can see on the screen there. So that's it, adding your logo if you want to use the standard paperwork.